Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss Cryogenic Hydrogen Technology Nptel Week 7 assignment. So we are ready to start. The answer for our first question will be option D. For the second question, answer will be option A. That is expanded foam less than vacuum insulation less than occupied powder less than MLI. Question third, answer will be option C. Directly proportional to the difference between the liquid and vapor density. Question fourth, answer will be option C. Minimize heat transfer by convection, conduction and radiation. Question fifth, answer will be option D. Polyethylene foam. Question sixth, answer will be option C. Damp the motion of the liquid inside the tank during its motion. Question seventh, answer will be option B. Expanded foam. Question 7, answer will be option A. W by m square k की power 4. Question 9th, answer will be option C. Question 10th, answer will be option C. It can store the large volume of the cryogen. 11th, answer will be option A. 1.1132. Question 12, answer will be option B. 35.58 kg per meter cube. Question 13th, answer will be option D. 0.054. Question 14th, answer will be option A. 152.81 watt per meter square. Question 15th, answer will be option A. 31.74 watt per meter square. Thank you guys. Now we can submit our assignment.